Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to change the default Gravatar on WordPress. Gravatar is a web service that allows anyone to create a profile and associate avatar images to their email addresses. This avatar image is then displayed on all the WordPress blogs where users leave their comments or write blog posts. By default, WordPress shows this image called as Mystery Man, so you might want to change this image. To do that, you have to follow a very simple process. First, in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto Settings and then click on Discussions. Now, scroll down to the avatar section. You can select from these few available choices. Now you can also upload your own picture as a custom avatar image. For this, you first need to upload the image in WordPress by hovering onto media and then adding any image in it. For example, I want to use this image. Now you need to hover onto appearance and then you have to go to theme editor. Then click on theme functions, which is the functions.php file. Now here you have to add a small piece of code. Before adding any kind of code, make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore your website later. Now I'm also adding this code in the description so you can get this code from there. So copy the code and paste it at the end of functions.php file like this. Now, once you have added this code, you need to replace the $myAvatar value with the URL of the custom Gravatar image you uploaded earlier. So click on update file once you have added the URL. Now once it's edited successfully, hover onto settings, then click on discussions. On this page, now scroll down to the default avatar section. You can now see that the image we have added is now set as the default avatar image. So select your custom default avatar image and then click on the Save Changes button. Now let's visit the website, and on refreshing, you can see that the WordPress is now using this image for all the users who don't have any Gravatar associated with their email addresses. In this way, you can change the default Gravatar on WordPress.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.